Welcome to install our faux rock aeration system. 33-meter sink hose, stainless steel base, air diffuser, rubber hose, connection fittings, faux rock cover and compressor. Step 1. Use clamps to attach the rubber hose to the compressor manifold. It protects your sink hose from high air flow pressure. Step 2. Connect rubber hose to the 33-meter sink hose. Step 3. Clamp the sink hose to the stainless steel base. Step 4. Mount the diffuser onto the base. Step 5. Secure for inner corners of faux rock with steel pins. The unit stays stable under harsh weather. Step 6. Screw the faux rock onto the compressor. Finish. Plug and play. Let's get a vibrant, healthy pond.